Ever had that mysterious ESC or traction control light pop up on your dash and wondered if it's a quick fix or a serious problem? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reset it and what hidden issues it might be warning you about. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today we're talking about that little ESC or traction control light on your dashboard. If it suddenly comes on, don't panic, I'll show you why it happens, how to reset it, and how to fix the problem for good. First things first, what is ESC? ESC stands for Electronic Stability Control. It's a safety feature that keeps your car stable when you're driving on slippery roads or making sharp turns. Basically, it stops your wheels from losing traction. Now, if that light stays on, it usually means one of three things. The system is switched off sometimes by accident. One of your wheel speed sensors is dirty or faulty. There's a bigger issue in the ABS or stability system. A quick example, if you drive through snow or mud, dirt can stick to the wheel sensor and confuse the computer. That alone can trigger the light. Alright, let's get into fixing it. Step 1. Turn off your car, then restart it. Sometimes the system just needs a quick reset. Step 2. Check your dashboard buttons, look for a traction control or ESC switch. If it's off, turn it back on. Step 3. Inspect your tires and wheel hubs. Clean off any dirt or debris that might be blocking the sensor. Step 4. If you have an OBD2 scanner, plug it in and clear any stored codes. This often resets the ESC light. If the light keeps coming back after all this, that's when you need a mechanic. It could be a faulty sensor, wiring issue, or even an ABS module problem. Don't ignore it because if your ESC isn't working, your car's stability is at risk. So that's how you fix and reset the ESC or traction control warning light. Sometimes it's as simple as cleaning a sensor, other times it needs proper repair. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.